BTR stage 3 truck cam with a 3200 FTI single billet disc converter and a 4L80. Used to be our good friend Andrew's truck, and we just picked it up for the guy that works with us here at Northern Performance named Andrew. So we went from one cool Andrew to a little bit lesser cool Andrew, just kidding. But so we're gonna do some polishing to it because it's black, you know, and it always looks a little bit rough even when it's not, spotty and So we're gonna pull her in to the Northern Performance Shine section of our business and get this bad boy polished out and shined up.